I see a lot of people have dual PC setups. Some people said they want one. Some people said, "What's Wavecast?" They didn't, but that's what we're here to talk about.
Oh, who
So,
said that?
yeah,
So someone in chat
great
asked that question
question.
real quick.
Yeah.
What's Wavecast?
So let's dive into it. We talked a lot about Wavelink 3.0, but that's not the only software that we're launching. We are launching, and we have actually previously launched a software called Wavecast. And Wavecast is something that we've been thinking about for quite a long time. And so, how did this kind of start? Thank you, chat. That's great. Uh,
Who is
Dual
Wavecast?
PC setups. Who is why is Wavecast? Dual PC setups are they're pretty popular these days, especially among those of you that want like the best performance out of your setups, right? You want the best stream quality. You also want the best performance on your gaming PC. Maybe you're running overclocks and like kind of pushing things to the limit. You're running beta software, or maybe your overclock is unstable, something like that. You launch a new alpha or beta of a game, right? And with a dual PC setup, your gaming PC only games, and your streaming PC only streams. And so your streaming PC can focus on the best rendering quality of the stream, the best encoding, making sure that all your audio sounds good, processing effects, overlays, all of that. And your gaming PC only games or does what it's doing. It's somewhat simple to capture video, right? You can use something like a capture card. You just take the HDMI from a gaming PC, plug it into the streaming PC, and you're good to go. Think of it a little bit like a console setup. Audio gets a little bit more tricky though, because usually you only have one pair of headphones, you have one microphone, maybe you have one stream deck, you have, your game running on your gaming PC, your streaming PC though needs to get that audio. So how do you do that? And with all of that out of the way, I want to introduce Wavecast. So let me go ahead and I want to pull it up first on Elgato Marketplace.
Also, there's a poll running in chat right now. Do you have a dual PC setup? 16 people said yes, 17 said no, and 9 said they want to or they're looking into it. And the poll's still going, so make sure to vote.
Super cool. So over here on the demo system, I've got Marketplace up, and there we are on the Stream PC. Awesome. So Wavecast is available today from Elgato Marketplace, and it's an app that you install on both of your computers. And what it does is it sends audio from your streaming PC to the gaming PC and vice versa. Primarily, it's to take audio from your gaming PC and send it over your network to the streaming PC. And this makes your setup a lot simpler because what you can do is you can connect your headphones to the streaming PC and you'll hear your alerts, you'll hear your voice chat, whatever else might be going on, and you'll hear the audio from the game. At the same time, when you have a single microphone, you will also get that on your stream, of course, or any chat apps that you're using, and Wavecast can send that back to your gaming PC. And so I don't think there's a better way to demonstrate this than to simply show you how it works. And we've got this really cool like split view set up. Um, so if we can head over to that, this is we have two computers right now. Both of them are, you can see how they're labeled. We have our stream PC, and then on the right side here, we have our uh, gaming PC. And I think I need to actually restart Wavecast over here. Let me see real quick. I'll go ahead and end that. We've been doing a lot of demos, a lot of setup
Breaking
here.
these PCs with so
Exactly.
many different setups.
All right, so what you do with this is, first of all, you install Wavecast on both of your computers. It's really that simple. You just install it on both of your computers, and when you purchase it from Elgato Marketplace, you'll get a license key. You input that key on just one of the computers that you're using, which is primarily going to be your streaming PC. Um, and at that point, you can simply hit connect. And check this out. I have the license key set up on the stream PC, and I don't on the gaming PC here. But these two versions of Wavecast should actually find each other. And let me go ahead and restart it here as well. Um, it will look really, really cool. Let's see. Wavecast. This has been our Wavelink 3 system, so it's been through the ringer, so to speak. So once I start it up here, I will go ahead and hit connect. Oh, is it going to do it? Of course, during the live demo, it's not going to. Da, 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 da. No? Let's see. I might need to. Oh, I thought I saw it. Let me exit this. Let me exit this. Bear with me, chat. Just one minute here. All right. We launch Wavecast on the Stream PC, and we launch Wavecast on the gaming PC, like so. Both of them are popping up, and they should find each other. There we go. All right, check it out. So on the gaming PC over here, it says, we found Wavecast running on another PC on your network. Complete the connection process there to continue. So it's super simple. You simply hit connect, and there you go. What happens is now both of Wavecast on the gaming PC and the streaming PC are talking to each other. And now audio is coming over from the gaming PC to the streaming PC over here, right? You can see that. Um, and the audio from this PC, the microphone here, Wave 3, is being sent over to the streaming PC. And you can then select that in an app like, say, Discord as your input. So let's actually go ahead and let's see. I'll open Discord over here just to show what that looks like. And then we'll show how the game audio works. So if I go in here, and then I could go down to voice chat, and you'll see here, Wavecast, Elgato Virtual Audio for Wavecast. So now the audio is going from the Wave 3 connected to the streaming PC over the network to the gaming PC here, and then into Discord. Really low latency. It's using uncompressed audio, which is awesome. But what about audio from, say, a game or an application? Well, it's really simple. You have a couple options. First, you can send all audio. So literally any sound that runs on your gaming PC will be sent over to the streaming PC. You can also just do the foreground application. Now, the foreground application would be the one that you currently have focus in. So let's say you're playing a game, it's the game that you're controlling. Or if you then click on to Google Chrome, that's the audio that you would then be getting, sending over through Wavecast. Or you can also select specific applications. Like if you only want to capture the audio from one app specifically, you can also select that. In my case here, what we're going to do is we're actually going to launch up Doom, Doom the Dark Ages, and we're going to send that over the network here. Something to also keep in mind, you do want to make sure you're hardwired between both computers, like basically to a switch using Ethernet, because that way you're not going to be susceptible to any like Wi-Fi interference, dropouts, stability issues, etc., and you just get the lowest latency. Um, all right, so we've now got Doom running here. Again, I could select Doom if I want to, or I can just hit all audio. In this case, I'm just going to hit all audio. And now, if I go in here, I can actually go into something like OBS Studio, open this up, and we'll go ahead and delete our other audio sources here. Remove. We'll do application audio capture. And then here we have Elgato Wavecast. And you can see, boom, right there, we've already got the audio from Doom coming into OBS Studio through Wavecast all over the network. And what's really cool is the audio is so low latency that the Stream PC, this one here with OBS, is where you connect your headphones. I mean, that to me is like mind blowing. You just have all your audio coming over your network. Now it's all connected to one computer. You connect your headphones there, you connect your mic there, and then you're good to go. That's also then where you can connect your Stream Deck, which makes it a lot easier, right? Your Stream Deck can then control OBS, it could control Wavelink if you're running it, that sort of thing. And in fact, the audio is so low latency that I'm gonna try something here. I'm going to let's open Wavelink again. This might get a little. We'll see if this works. It's a live demo after all. We'll go to mixes, and I am going to let's see. I'm going to remove everything here. I'm going to create a new channel, call it Wavecast. In Wavecast, I'm going to output the audio to it. Where did we do that? Elgato Wavecast. There we go. And now I'm also going to output the audio Camlink Pro. All right, can you hear the game audio? Is that coming through? All right, I'll turn it down a little bit. Hopefully it's but remember, keep in mind how we're doing this right now. This is coming through Wavecast into Wavelink over the network. And so now I can hop in game and you'll see that this is extremely low latency, to the point where, again, I can wear headphones. Oh, I need to do this. There we go. Right, and now I can actually play the game here, and my audio is, perfectly in sync. Really, really cool. I hope you can hear that. Let me know, chat. So this makes it super simple, right? You don't need an audio mixer. You don't need additional audio cables. You don't need to think about, analog audio hum because, you've got, again, like an analog mixer, maybe some ground loops or like audio interference there. You simply, over the network, send your game audio, and then in the opposite direction, you can send your mic audio. And so that's what Wavecast is. It's available today from Elgato Marketplace. If you're using a dual PC setup, it makes it incredibly simple to just send the audio back and forth. I also want to show you something else that's really cool. This might be, this is like, I don't know, if someone asked me like, what's a favorite feature? Check this out. I'm on the streaming PC here, and let's say I want to change what app I'm capturing on the gaming PC. I can do that from this computer, from the streaming PC. I can select Discord, and you'll see it also changes on Wavecast on the gaming PC, but I'm doing it on the streaming PC, right? You can see the settings are changing there. So it's actually over the network controlling the gaming PC, and it's telling Wavecast, hey, these are the apps that are running, and it can capture those. So even in this, you don't need to really go back to the gaming PC if you don't want to, or vice versa. If you have your mouse and keyboard connected to the gaming PC, then you can, control your stream PC settings from there as well, like choosing the output device, choosing the input device for the mic. If you want to reverse the audio, that's also quite simple to do. You just click this little button up here, and boom, now the audio from the stream PC, all these different apps that we have here, are being sent over to the gaming PC. So it's super simple to set up and use. And that's pretty much it. It really doesn't take a lot to set this up and use it, but it's incredibly powerful, and it saves you quite a bit of hassle when it comes to, again, buying additional hardware, buying additional equipment, needing to set up, remember what ports things were in, stuff like that. It's available today for $49.99 on Elgato Marketplace. And as a huge thank you to all of our beta testers, because we did have like a 2-month beta, we are offering I believe it's a 25% discount currently during this launch period. So you can get Wavecast for, what's 25% of 50? Burrito, help me out. I can't do math. Chat, somebody help me out. What's 25% off $50? Whatever that number is, that's what you can save. When you buy Wavecast through I believe it's through October, is it the 12th? I think it's October 12th or something like that. I need to double check again. And there's also a code that you have to enter when you check out to get that discount. That code is, I believe it's Elgato-week-2025. Maybe one of the mods in chat can type that out. We've also got that on our Explorer articles and in the YouTube video, which I hope is actually up by now. I don't know. I haven't checked yet. The team is working hard on putting all this stuff together. So yeah, that is Wavecast. It's a application that takes the audio, sends it from one computer, from your gaming PC to your streaming PC, and makes everything a lot simpler.